so much. As a woman, I often tell people, watch me work. Watch me work. I show you how they call me Mother Earth. I'm down in the ground you stand on. I'm hands on, hips, quick with it, come quick with it when I shift with it, but I never clock out. I rock out. Better than your trap house. Better ask about she, the thrift store shopping, show stopping, nation building, womb healing, warm filling, Susan Q. I'm such a lady raising your babies and your IQ. Here's the haiku. You know, 575, right? Amen, be amen. But it's kind of funny because I say be a she. Praise be to the Most High. I see the humor, laughing, rumor has it, I put your tailcoat on some other mess. I'm other mess. I'm other shit. I raised you little sailboats and you can't skip a skipper. I'm zero no higher. The angels carry my clouds. Dudes want to marry McCloud. They're yearning, all learning, aura burning. Sure, I shoot the flame at 'em. I'm Jane Addams thorough. Cause I'm standing on the shoulders of Margaret Burroughs. And only a true lion can tame her. Fannie Lou Hamer. Never forget who named you strangers. They say we in danger. Say we in danger. I say we in danger. Educated black woman like Batwoman. The goddess of Gotham got the gods out the gutter. I got them in line with the liners by the daughters of the water. I ran out the line. I'm out the lines. Try to decipher mine. That'll be the first time you get a cipher from a line. I'm at refine, fine. I'm at refine, fine, like God made me cute twice in one lifetime. What's life? What's life without a lifeline? I manifest, and I'm fresh. No need to check fashion week. I don't fashion the week. No need to see who wore it best in Zena demeanor. I'm war at best. I'm worth the struggle it is to keep me. I'm feeling sweetly. I go against the grain, but I'm good for you. Meet me, I'm food for thought. And look what I brought. All these tools and all these jewels. All these jewels, I fed all these dudes off all these food. We having miracles for dinner. I'm the resource center that restores sinners. I'm enlightening and I'm vitamin like a vitamin with an echinacea chaser. Jackie, sir, joiner, truth, diva, best believe I'm something like a Kathleen Cleaver. See, I'm something like a Kathleen Cleaver. See these dudes on the block. They thought I was a thot. Let me explain. So I teach in the high schools, middle schools, and so there's this word that they use to degrade women called thot, and it's an acronym. And it stands for that H word over there. And that's a new way to disrespect women. So I said, these dudes on the block, they thought I was a thot. I said, I think not. I'm Nefertiti, sweetie. I'm a good catch. But Jeanette too teeny. I'm a Feeny and a Sana Shakur. And even before that, I love a more than half your 4-pack. Need more facts? Cool. I done raised a plenty of fellas. I'm Winnie Mandela. Stella with other grace. No beating. Just have faith. No one can take my place. I own it. Period. I'm on it. So give me my space, Tom. I was your first friend before your matter even mattered. You sat on my bladder, so why you mad at her? Give me a hug, man. I'm Harriet Tub, man. When you Panthers with just a little cubs, I washed your white socks and put you in the tub, man. Where's the love, man? What's a hand without a glove, man? When it's cold, man. Y'all sleeping on me, but I'm flying in the rest. I'm just that Bessie Cole. Man, watch me work. I'll show you how to call me Mother Earth. I'm down in the ground, you stand on. I'm hands on, hips. Thank you so much.